Once again, we drive through a stretch that was within the path of the December 2018 tornado. Taylorville, Illinois is about an hour-and-a-half drive north of St. Louis.
What is up, guys? If you're new to this channel, make sure you check the link down below. It shows you an interactive map on all the places that I've made videos on so far. All you have to do is click on the link to the map, and then you can click on a pin which will take you to a link of said place.
Taylorville is a small city that's not too far southeast of the state capital of Springfield. It's a 30-minute drive away to be exact. Knowing that, it's to nobody's surprise that Abraham Lincoln has a touch of history on this town. In recent years, however, a couple of tornadoes have made their stamp on the town. Maybe the town jinxed itself with its high school nickname. Nonetheless, it's time to drive in mad circles around the city that is Taylorville, Illinois. Well, let's get to it. Shall we? I do start the video in the city's entertainment district, the local Walmart, which, in Taylorville, is located on the northwest side of town. If you're unfamiliar with my videos, I do speed up my videos in order to show more in a less amount of time. You can always keep up with the real time that it takes me to drive in the lower left corner of the screen. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to drop a like, comment, and subscribe, as doing all of those things helps these videos destroy the monster that is the YouTube algorithm. Also, make sure to hit that notification bell so that you don't miss out on upcoming videos. If you enjoy this video, you might enjoy checking out some of the featured playlists on this channel. Videos on other places like Taylorville can be found on my Illinois playlist or on my Small USA Towns playlist. Last but not least, if you can't get enough of me on here, you can always go follow me on my other social media accounts, and those links are below. I do drive by the high school pretty early in this video. To the left is Taylorville High School, home of the tornadoes. Now, since I mentioned that, I might as well go ahead and talk about a couple of recent events. Taylorville has been unlucky as it's had its fair share of tornadoes in recent years. One more and you won't be able to count them on your same hand. On April 2nd, 2006, two separate tornadoes hit town. Both were relatively minor, however. No fatalities were recorded, only one injury, and only a few buildings were damaged. Another minor tornado hit Taylorville later in the same month, only did not cause much damage, if any. On May 30th, 2008, another minor tornado hit Taylorville, not causing much damage. On April 19th, 2011, a small EF1 tornado hit town, causing only $60,000 of property damage, but no fatalities or injuries. It was December 1st, 2018, however, that is the most notable tornado that everyone in this town and surrounding area will remember. On that day, a devastating EF3 tornado hit Taylorville, which upon filming this video was approximately a year and a half prior. 28 tornadoes touched down in the state on that day as a part of a large tornado outbreak. It was a warm day in December, which the Midwest will see once in a while. When tornadoes happen in the Midwest region, usually it's a factor of warm air coming in from the southwest mixed in with cooler air coming in from the northwest, which causes unstable weather conditions. In Taylorville and the nearby unincorporated town of Hewittssville, a total of over 500 homes were damaged. Nearly 70 homes had what is considered to be major damage, and 34 homes were reported to have been completely destroyed by the twister. Taylorville had the unfortunate reality of being in the path of this twister, which was the most destructive out of all of the twisters that hit Illinois on that day. Winds were measured to have reached 155 miles per hour, and the tornado was reported to have been a half-mile wide. The twister was also reported to have cost $119 million worth of property damage. Over 20 injuries were reported from the event, however the good news is that no fatalities were reported. The unfortunate reality for the Midwestern USA is that it experiences more tornadoes than any other place in the world, and you never know which town or place Mother Nature will strike next. The best any resident of this region could do is to just make sure that they're prepared and know what to do when a twister might strike their area. Obviously, it was going to take a couple of minutes to talk about the tornado. This building, however, I passed, I thought was unique, as a closer look shows that the words Public Library is ingrained into the stone above the doors. Today it's a law office. Past that is the town square, which darn near every Illinois town has one of. The Christian County Courthouse sits in the middle, and you were able to see some views of the courthouse as we approached downtown. On the northwest corner of the town square sits an Abraham Lincoln statue. I mean, they call Illinois the land of Lincoln for a reason, and Springfield, where Lincoln is buried, is only a 30-minute drive northwest. The statue is of Lincoln with a pig by his feet. The design of the statue is inspired by a moment in the 1840s when Lincoln was trying a case in Christian County. At that time, the courthouse was built in a way where animals could squeeze underneath the building, and during the case that this statue is based off of, there were pigs underneath the building during the trial. During that trial, Lincoln was quoted as saying, "Writ of quietus," to calm the pigs that were squealing underneath the courthouse. And somehow, the city of Taylorville was inspired to put up a statue of that event. On to the city stats. Taylorville is home to just over 10,000 people. The population of the community has remained in the range of 10,000 to 11,000 ever since 1970. The median household income is $40,000 per year, and the poverty rate is 15.5%. 18% of adults 25 and older hold a bachelor's degree or higher, and the median value of owner-occupied housing units is below $90,000. The crime rates here are well below average, and Niche.com gives the public schools here a B-, so that's not bad. On this stretch, we'll be on the western side of town, and off this street you'll see some nicer, bigger, older houses. Based off of what I could gather from the internet, the EF3 December 2018 tornado ripped through town right around here. We're currently facing west, and the tornado ripped through Taylorville in a north-northeast direction, starting in the far southwest part of the city. To the left is the Christian County Fairgrounds. County fairs are a big deal for small Midwestern agricultural-based towns.
watching the color joint we did.
Girl,
You been good?
I know, right?
How have you been?
I'm in my pajamas all day long and eating way too much. I'm gonna gain 15 pounds with this.
That's good to hear, bro. Nah, real talk.
No, I know. We haven't talked in so long.
Nah, man, just chilling, you know, maintaining, living.
I definitely don't have the excuse.
Bye, girl.
Lay it on me, I'm listening. I got a good ear, come give it a bend. I could listen all day till you tell it to me. If I heard it before, then let me hear it again.
Once again, we drive through a stretch that was within the path of the December 2018 tornado.
You can tell it to me. Say what you wanna, I will be listening. Say what you gotta, I will be listening. Simple thought, but I tell you what, some folks really don't listen much. Only give it one way, you can tell it to me. And I've sang a bunch and I've talked enough, so this is my time to listen up. Yeah. You got something to say, well go on, tell it to me. Say what you wanna, I will be listening. Say what you gotta.
And as I turn right, we'll come across yet another stretch that was within the path of the tornado.
Tell it to me, tell it to me, tell it to me, I wanna hear you. Tell it to me, tell it to me, tell it to me, I wanna hear you. Tell it to me, anything you wanna. Tell it to me, I wanna hear you. Tell me about you, and I will be listening. Tell me all about you, and I will be listening. 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 Tell it to me. Tell it to me. Tell it to me. I wanna hear you. Tell it to me. Tell it to me. Tell it to me.
Currently, we're driving through the far northeastern side of the city.
Anything you wanna, tell it to me. I wanna hear you.
Now I'm driving through the eastern part of the city, making my way south. In this video, you saw a town that has been able to bounce back from a devastating tornado that hit about a year and a half before I filmed this video, and even today they're still taking donations. If you wish to donate to help the community continue to rebuild from the devastating tornado, I provided a link down below with information on how you can do so. Currently, I'm on the far southern part of the city, and I do end the video here. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to drop a like, comment, and subscribe, as doing all of those things helps these videos defeat the monster that is the YouTube algorithm. Also, make sure to hit that notification bell so that you can be notified every time that I upload a new video of an area near you. If you enjoyed this video, you might enjoy checking out some of the featured playlists on this channel. Videos on other places like Taylorville can be found in my Illinois playlist or in my USA Small Towns playlist. Last but not least, if you can't get enough of me on here, you can always go follow me on my other social media accounts, and those links are below. We'll see you next time. Peace!